Can you solve this puzzle? Puzzle number 2. This time I have brought an interesting puzzle on train. Check your IQ with me. Math puzzle number 2. And yes, as you know, this puzzle is on train. And the question is, the puzzle is, a train meets with an accident and moves at 3/4 of its original speed. A train meets with an accident and moves at 3/4 of its original speed. It takes 20 minutes more for the same journey between Delhi and Amritsar. It takes, mind well, 20 minutes more for the same journey between Delhi and Amritsar. What is the original time for the journey if accident would not have happened? What is the original time for the journey if accident would not have happened? You can pause the video over here and think about it. Try to solve this puzzle yourself and then see the solution. The question was, a train meets with an accident and moves at 3/4 of its original speed. If the speed of the train is S1 originally, which is equals to, let's say, x kilometer per hour, then after the accident, speed decreased and became 3/4 of original. So that is S2 became 3/4 of original kilometer per hour. Right? Now see, it takes 20 minutes more for the same journey. So over here, distance is constant. Distance is constant, right? Now, if original speed is T1, let's say it is T hour. Then T2, after the decrease in the speed, the time would be 20 minutes more, that is T hour plus 20 minutes. But listen, as over here we have taken hours, I can't take 20 minutes here. I have to convert this into hours, so 20 by 60. That means T2 is equals to T plus 1 by 3. Now always remember, when the distance is constant, so speed is inversely proportional to time. So this suggests S1 divided by S2 is equals to T2 divided by T1. From here, I can derive this. Right? Now, S1 is X. X2 S2 is 3 by 4x. T2 is t plus 1 by 3. Divided by T1 is t. Once again, S1 is x, S2 is 3 by 4x, T2 is t plus 1 by 3 and T1 is t. I hope this is clear to you. Now let me remove some extra ink from the screen, and I hope till this point you are clear till this point. So I am removing extra inks from the screen. So now I just have to simplify it. I am just making some space where I can write. Okay. Now let's simplify it. Let's come here. Now this x and this x would go. So ultimately it would become 4 by 3 is equals to 3t plus 1 by 3t. Now this 3 and this 3 is gone. So 4t is equals to 3t plus 1. So ultimately 4t minus 3t is equals to 1. That means t is equals to 1. But remember, t was in hours, so this is 1 hour. So original time of the journey would be 1 hour. That is 60 minutes. And after the accident, it will take 1 hour 20 minutes. That means 80 minutes after the accident and 60 minutes was the original time. I am very sure that you have understood the concept. If you have understood the concept, then check out the next question. A train reaches Borivali to Parle in 35 minutes with an average speed of 69 km per hour. If its average speed is increased by 36 km per hour, how much time it will take to cover the same distance? You pause the video here and try to calculate yourself. Ideal time to solve this puzzle is 15 seconds maximum. If you know the trick which I have told to you just now, if you can apply the same trick, it is very much possible to solve this puzzle in 15 seconds. Okay, pause the video and solve the puzzle. I will tell the solution now. As you know, S1 by S2 is equals to T2 by T1, and we need to find all these 4 quantities here. Now S1 I don't know, S2 I don't know. Let's read the question. A train reaches Borivali to Parle in 35 minutes. Let's say it is T1. With an average speed of 69 km per hour. This is S1. So now this is S1 is 69 and T1 is 35. If its average speed is increased by 36 kilometers, that means I am going to add 36 in 69. 69 plus 36 is 105. Then how much time it will take to cover the same distance? That is question mark. Now S1 and S2 is in kilometer per hour and T1 is in minute. So either I can convert it in hour or keep it as such. Why? Because this is ratio. So if I am having minute here, I will be getting minute for this too. So T1 and T2 both would be in minutes. So my answer would come in minutes. Now it is very simple. Keep S1 69, S2 105, T2 question mark, that is X, and T1 35. Removed it, 35 3s are and 3 23s are 69. So my answer is 23 minutes. As simple as that. Only one thing that you should know is S1 by S2 is equals to T2 by T1. I hope you understood the concept. And now be ready for the puzzle number 3. All the very best. First of all, thank you so much for all your good response on all my videos. I am trying every time to give something innovative and valuable to you, which can add some value to your preparation towards your examinations. You people are taking the videos that are created very seriously. I'm very happy for that. And if you are new to this channel, you can type Paridhi Trivedi Parikh in your YouTube search, and you can definitely subscribe the channel for regular updates and inputs, which can be really very helpful to you in your all examinations. You can press the bell icon if you want to get an idea about new uploaded videos. Thank you so very much and stay tuned. I'll be back very soon.